Sometimes I'm psyched about it, and sometimes I'm like, why did I pick this? So my question to you is, what statement is Esmeralda Santiago making about the American dream? What is the American dream? Remember we talked about it?
To be something you want to be.
Okay, to be something you want to be.
Work hard.
Work hard, and you can succeed, you can achieve something in this society. America, please wake up. Thank you.
The district was short another $1 million. That meant that they were short now $2.5 million, back up to 2.5. Whoever was doing the books down at the board wasn't aware of it, or their accounting was incorrect or something. When they clarified it all, and they realized that they'd made a mistake.
So classes that you guys are in could be cut and not be available next year. What would happen if they just put you in a mainstream class?
Sometimes they have the time to explain you, but then sometimes they don't have the time. They tell you to just, talk to your partner so that they could help you.
Find a way on your own to figure it out. Dehan, do you think your experiences would have been different if they just said to you, you know what, we're just going to put you in mainstream right now, and you have to just learn on your own?
First mainstream class is so hard for me, so it's even hard to understand what teacher says. It's hard to follow the teacher, what teacher says. I have many
difficulties.
Yeah, difficulties in the class.
I'm trying to get them to stretch their thinking a little bit and just critique society so that they can see what the real world is really like. And it's hard. I mean, not all kids are ready to do that yet. And they resist me a lot.
The ESL sheltered department, which means that you guys would have to go into mainstream classes. And it's not half, it's 5 or 10.
I've never seen my parents turn their back on people in need. They helped people who other people wouldn't have helped.
We talk about merit scholarships for the top 20%. Well, I think we ought to have merit funding get us up to the top 20%, not just up to 50%.
Other people would have said, that's their problem. I'm just going to worry about my own life right now.
Musalima Abdullah and tens of thousands of other riders depend on the bus to get them around. So the MTA's proposed 10-cent fare increase is making many riders angry. The Bus Riders Union is staging a fare strike this week, hoping to pressure the MTA and stop the increase.
It's already an outrage that we pay $1.35 to ride such a terrible bus system. And we believe that the fare should be 50 cents. So for them to insult us by saying they're going to raise our fare to another 10 cents is just ridiculous.
The MTA board is reviewing the proposed fare hike.
All the board members would like to thank you for taking your time to come down and share your thoughts with us. It's an opportunity for the board to hear from its constituency, doing an intake of information, so that as many people want to be involved in the budget process can be involved.
My name is Omar Guan. I represent Santa Monica High School. I'm very concerned about my future and the rest of the students as well. This program has helped me a lot to improve my English. I know I'm able to help others.
If you cut half of the shelter classes, many students would be affected. It would force students to go in regular classes that they don't even know how to say their name or know their address.
I don't want to be in regular class before I'm ready. So, shelter is needed. If we don't, many students will get hard time to study.
I called the city council yesterday morning, and at their meeting on Tuesday, they approved a grant of $2.1 million to the school district.
They did?
Yes. So give yourselves a hand. Everybody had a part in it, writing letters and also speaking in front of the board and telling them how all the students felt. So what you did made a difference, and you should be proud of yourselves.
We should thank you for telling us about the problem that the school district had.
Thank you.